Yeah, I'm building my office here. It'll take just a little bit of air conditioning. I ripped the ceiling down. I'm gonna put in a bathroom and shower. That way I can get everything out of the bedroom. This is the building. It has steel deck and 18 and 20 millimeter rebar crisscross across the steel deck. This is that place I built like a fortress. This is actually the main column. The contractors were not happy with me. They said it's too big. It's a huge column. It's that one right there. It goes all the way up to the 3rd floor. I still have a lot of work to do, but I temporarily ran electricity. The Philippines is humid, so the 2nd floor, there's that column I was talking about. I went obsessive compulsive when we were building this, but I ran waterproof electrical outlets down to the power panel and up to the 3rd floor. And there's rebar sticking out everywhere still for any expansions. And that's the half of the house I extended. And there's the front. They have this new, it's like a sunproof rubber mat with this real sticky glue on it. It's for roofs. It makes it to where it isn't noisy when it rains. And I'm keeping busy. I do everything myself. All I need to do is buy a welder now. I've been buying tools for months. And I'm putting solar panels up here. I got solar lights everywhere right now. But right there we're gonna put maybe 12 600 watt solar panels. It'll extend out to this pole and go out about a meter off the edge of the roof and a meter out each side. And we're so high up here, the only obstruction is that, and that's nothing given the rest of the day and the size. We're right across from what they call the Barangay Hall and the National Highway. Anyway, I thought I'd just, yeah, that's a native hut. It's really nice up here at night sometimes. I put these electrical outlets, waterproof, IP67 or whatever. Anyway, thought I'd show this to you. Hope you're doing well. I haven't heard anything from you in a while. Let me know how you're doing.